Did you know that the human skeleton is the something with an automobile chassis? What is the human skeleton and what is the automobile chassis? How they work? What are their similarities? What happened when they fell? What is the human skeleton? The human skeleton is the hard internal framework of the body that made up of bones. How human skeleton works? It supports the body, it protects the vital organs, and it helps movement. The main part of human skeleton is skull, spine, ribs, pelvis, arm bones, and leg bones. While chassis is the main structural frame of a vehicle, where all other parts are mounted. How it works? Chassis supports the whole vehicle. It holds engine components. It absorbs shock and vibration. It maintains the vehicle stability and maintains all the components of the engine. The main part of the chassis are frame, suspension, cross, engine mounting. Whenever the chassis or skeleton of the body got problem, the entire of the body may be failed.